what I'm doing here is basically just lifting off this outer bark. I want to leave a layer of bark on there because it turns into a beautiful cherry red, rusty red color with that contrast of the rest of the bark behind it.
All right, so this is just a little sneak peek. I caught Sharon in the middle of a project. So this is going to be a bed in the cabin. I had forgot we're having 2 queen beds, I guess, or doubles, whatever they are.
Boy, what sometimes looks like a loose rock ain't a loose rock. All right, so I got a couple stacks of assorted sizes and thicknesses. They're beautiful sandstone though. I'm gonna pressure wash them, get them cleaned up. You know, it would have been a lot easier just to pick through these that are right next to the UTV, but no. Instead of these right down by my feet, I had to go all the way in the back there to find what I wanted. Here, look at this piece I flipped over. I thought it was a short one until I flipped it, and then it came out of the ground, or out of the rock bed, and it was a little bit bigger. But look at that thing. Gosh, that's beautiful. Oh, I know I got more than enough, but girls gotta have options, right? So I cut those in half. Like I said, I'm not going to need everything on the end there, but it's just easier. Cut it in half than work with a 12-foot section. So I'm going to pressure wash that. And then I got my rocks laying out here. I'm going to clean them up. But I'm going to salvage these and use them for shelf brackets. I could probably get it. Well, that took a little longer than I thought. Probably a couple hours by the time I got everything done. Just in time. The sun is coming around the corner here. So I just got them all stacked up against the shed here to dry. Like I said, they're beautiful. I don't think I'm going to do any kind of bleaching or anything to them. Now, when you stack them, all you're going to see are the edges. So Joe was out here yesterday trying to figure out what I was doing with the sassafras logs. So I tried to explain it to him. I don't know if he fully gets it, but maybe you will. So these are going to be the posts for the headboard. So it's imagination time. Like I said, imagine this is 5 feet wide, so there would be a whole bunch of those little ones in there. I do have a curly one that's in the center, and that's from sassafras. That's from honeysuckle vines growing around them. So that's what I'm working on. And this is going to be a taller headboard as far as the posts up on top because the wall is 10 feet. So I'm actually going up. I think I'm going to keep it like about 7 feet tall.
Okay, so another one of her kind of crazy DIY rustic ideas, which she's actually putting into practice, is a sassafras chandelier, if you will. So she has started, she pulls these sassafras vines from the woods, You could see she sands them, smoothens them out. And I mean, this is going to be just another one of a kind project in our rustic cabin. This week we finally got started again. We poured footers in, or our builder did, not us. I'll show you a couple clips of that, and just a good update vlog for Friday night. So let's finish this out, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks a lot.